Have you ever tried to use Google to find an answer and you just have to sift through a bunch of junk that has no relevance whatsoever to the topic that you're searching? Well, let's check out how we can use Google to our advantage and kind of get rid of some of that junk before we even hit the search button. How's it going, everyone? I'm Kyland, and here I like to make programming simple and easy to understand. So if that sounds enjoyable to you, make sure you slap the subscribe button and let's get right into it. So if you're looking to get one specific thing from one specific site, there's a simple trick that Google allows you to do that will make your life so much easier. So if I want to say how HTML works, I put a colon, and then I just want to get those results from Mozilla.org, the MDN network. So if I say colon, how HTML works, colon, Mozilla.org, and I search, you'll see I get all these results directly from Mozilla.org instead of getting the typical extra stuff that I normally would, and I don't even see Mozilla on here. If I were to search just how HTML works. Another way we could use Google is to search for exact wording. Have you ever seen a quote somewhere and you just cannot find it anymore? You have no idea where it's at. Well, if you use exact wording in Google, it'll heighten the chances of you finding that specific article. So to use exact wording, all we have to do is surround our search term with quotation marks. So if I want to say Java is better than JavaScript, all I have to do is surround that in quotes and it'll search for that exact term. And you can see Java is better than JavaScript, Java is better than JavaScript, and it returns results that only have that search term just like that in that order. Another simple trick we can use is to exclude specific words or phrases from our search term. So if we wanted to find a Mustang, we don't know if it's going to be the town of Mustang, the car Mustang, the horse Mustang. So if we want to find a Mustang and we only want the horses, we can exclude car from that search term and we won't get any results of cars, we'll get results of horses instead. But if I exclude that there like that, we're going to get the Ford Mustang all over the place. Another trick to using Google is to minimize your search term. And what I mean by that is to remove excess words that are not needed. So I could search for how do you use the for each method in JavaScript, and I can search for that and it gives me search results. But a better way, you could just do for each JavaScript and that's it. It'll return results exactly the same. Just minimize your search terms because Google has to process every word in that sentence. And if you have a lot of extra words that have no meaning to what you're searching for, it's going to return extra stuff that you really don't care about. And one last thing we'll take a look at is searching for solutions rather than problems. A lot of websites will use metadata, and the data that's used is more of the solution rather than the problem. So if I say, I have a flat tire, it'll give me results. But if I wanted to search for repair flat tire, it'll get me results just like this, how to repair a flat tire rather than why you have a flat tire. And that's basic Google searching 101. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you slap a like on it, make sure you subscribe so you never miss another upload, and I will see you in the next one.